Hello guys, welcome to my another new video. So today we'll be making a paper samurai katana. So let's start. First do this.
Yes. Secret, but not mistake.
No more secrets.
Now we have to take this. So take a tape and tie this part with tape. So take a tape and stick it here. Now with this rest of the part, stick it. Now you have to make one more piece like this. Now connect these both two pieces and take a small piece of tape and stick both of the pieces. Same at the back side. Do same with the back side. Now take a piece of take an A4 sheet and slowly roll from the corner. And just you have to roll from here to here. Okay? You have to roll from here to here. Okay? Now after making this roll, make another roll with one more paper. Now you will get two paper rolls. Now after this, you have to connect these two rolls with a tape like this. So after attaching like this, you have to take this previous piece and insert this roll into this so that the sword will become more powerful. Now you have to insert like this. After inserting, cut this in a sword-like design. Take the scissors and cut it in a sword's design. Then tape this part. After sticking this, the remaining part will come out and you have to cut this. So the first piece of our sword is completed. Now we will make the second piece. So to make the second piece, you have to take the first piece of sword, then put it like this, then fold it along one more time and take out the first piece. Then fold it and you have to do like this and this. And again this and this and this. Now you have to stick this piece with the tape. Now you will get this piece and keep it aside. Now take a white paper and make a thin long two strips to make the design of the sword. Now you will get these two strips. Now take one strip and make a design with this, like this. Okay. Now you have made this design. Now take one more strip and make design like this. Now you will get a piece like this. Now take the first piece and insert in the second piece.
Do you love me, Matthew?
And now tape here.
I do.
You have to stick a tape in this part so that it will connect with the second part only.
But not mistake.
So
No more secrets.
this part is complete. So now to make the third piece and the last piece, you have to take a red paper. Now fold it in like this, then this, and this. So you have to make a circle on this so that there will be a handle for that sword. Now after making a circle on this, cut this circle with a paper. Now you will get these circles, so many circles, and now you have to stick all these with glue. So after making a circle, you have to cut a diamond type shape here, and you have to make a design, and the design is option. So take this first part and insert this carefully. And boom, your katana is ready. So our katana is ready. You can see. And it's ready. I'm fine with it. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.